Hi everyone, and welcome back to Angie 3. Today's video will be about my second Grove Collaborative unboxing. I will be doing a little haul for you guys just to show you what I got this month. This month I didn't really get a lot of things. It's just things that I just needed to replace, but next month's going to be a big haul because I actually did run out of a lot of things. So yeah, so this haul is going to be a little bit smaller. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I got is this shampoo. No, I'm sorry, it's not shampoo, it's the body wash. It's Method Body Wash Citrus, Ginger, and Sea Buckthorn. It's an energy boost. It looks like this, and it also came with the sponge, the leaf right here. I got this for free. Now, if you order from them and they give you free things, they give you something free like a soap bar, or what I just got for free is your first 60 days you just get free shipping, and you just pay for what you want, and then after your 60 days are up, you pay $20 for a whole year, and then for free shipping to order what you want. It's really good. It's VIP. It's very good. I recommend it. It ships to you within 5 days, and you can't beat it. It got everything you want, toxin free, good for your environment. It's everything. It's really, really good. So yeah, like I said, it depends on how much you spend as well, so you can get your free item. So I got this body wash and this loofah sponge for free. And the next thing that I ordered was this, it's the Bluebell hand soap. When I say this smells really good, I did this on my last Grove Collaborative haul. This smells really delicious. It's like a fresh, it almost smells like blueberry. I can't describe the smell, but it smells really good. And I got the hand soap this time because I fell in love with the dish soap. But I also got another one. I got another dish soap. This is really good. It really does cut the grease in your dishes, off your dishes. It's really, really good. I recommend Mrs. Meyer's for the dish soap. Like I said, they all non-toxin. So yes, if I'm not using antibacterial, I'm definitely using this one. So I got another one of this, and also got the Squirt and Mop Method Cleaner. This is for hard floors. It's the lemon ginger scent. The lemon ginger scent. It looks like this. If you watch my cleaning videos, you know that I love this. I ran out, so I had to get another one. And yeah, had to get another one. I think in my next order I might get 2 more of these because I use it like no tomorrow. Yes, this is good for a quick mop. The next thing I got was another Bluebell multi-surface everyday cleaner spray. This is so good. I fell in love with the scent, and the spray is also just as good as anything else from Mrs. Meyer's. So yes, I got another spray. It smells really good, and I just fell in love with the scent. And the last thing, I'm sorry, not the last thing, but the next thing I got was this. Let me open it. Next thing I got was the Mrs. Meyer fabric softener. It's the same scent as in Bluebell. Now the last time, this is my second time trying this fabric softener, Mrs. Meyer's, but my first time trying this scent. But the last scent I had was honeysuckle, and it smelled so good, and it really does leave your clothes very soft. And I just, like I said, I fell in love with the Bluebell scent. But I also recommend the honeysuckle. I'm gonna buy, like I said, the next one. The next haul is gonna be quite big because, oh my gosh, I fell in love with that one. I just wanted the Bluebell. I wanted something different, so I won't get tired of it very quickly. So let me see. I never smelled this one in the fabric softener. So let me see. Yes. I'm so excited. It smells the same. Sometimes it don't smell. Everything doesn't smell the same, but this does. This scent really does, and also honeysuckle. If you don't want this scent, try honeysuckle. I'm telling you, you will not regret it. So the last thing I got was this. This was also free. It's the Lavender Oatmeal Bar Soap. made with organic coconut and olive oils. Wow, I never used this before. This is my first time trying this, and yeah, I got this for free, and I will let you know how this is. So yeah, but wow, with coconut oil, I can't wait to try this. And this is my first time using this one as well, the body wash, so I can't wait to try this either. I will let you guys know if it's good or not. But yeah, I'm so excited. So that will be all for my Growth Collaborative unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and support. Thank you guys so much, and until next time, bye.